Before you practice rhythm chunk number 8, take a look at the rhythm guide on the adjacent page. You'll notice that the first measure is written out there for you, and right above it, you'll see the first measure of rhythm chunk number 7. Do you notice anything unique about the first measure of rhythm chunk 7 and the first measure of rhythm chunk 8? That's right, they're actually clapped and counted the same. They're just written differently. Now, we learned about dots back in rhythm chunk number 3 with the dotted half note. We know that the dot is worth exactly half of the note that precedes it. So in this case, a quarter note with a dot on it, the quarter note is worth 1, and the dot is worth half of a beat. To help with this, you can either squeeze, like we talked about before, on beat 2, which is the dot, or you can bring your hands down, like we talked about before. So you can go 1 and squeeze and, as in 1 and 2 and, or you can perform it by going 1 and 2 and. Just make sure that you're ready for that and of 2, the 8th note on the and of 2. All right, best wishes to you as you practice rhythm chunk number 8.